Hello everybody! This video will be a kit bash in the Fallout style. Let's get started! As soon as I manage to open this box. Okay! The contents are templates, tools, rubbish, an instruction booklet, some wood bits, glue, more wood bits, some electronics, material and stuff, and the main base bits. After you glue the paper in the kit onto the main baseboard, lightly rough it up with a fine grit sandpaper to eliminate the shine, making sure you follow the wood pattern. You will want to do the same for the wallpaper as well. And then using a knife or an X-Acto blade, scrape, score and tear the wallpaper in random locations to age it. After all, the wallpaper would eventually lose its grip and fall off the wall after it's been abandoned for 100 years. Once you have done sanding and aging the walls to your liking, you can go and assemble the main house. Take your time and make sure all of the surfaces have been sanded properly and they have lost their shine. Once the main structure has been assembled, paint a very watered down coat of brown and black acrylic paint over all surfaces. Be creative and use a sponge or even use a toothbrush to make a splattering effect. Now for the stairs. I broke a few treads to help with the abandoned look. Don't forget to coat it in a layer of watered down acrylic paint to match the rest of the house. I used the kitchen that was with the kit. It was a little broken, but that doesn't matter too much since this is a Fallout kit bash. It just adds to the look. All of the fixed furniture pieces were painted with black and brown paint to age them. Since an abandoned house wouldn't be clean, I added a few dry moss pieces where the buildup of dirt and muck would occur. Then I used a mix of crushed powdered leaves, small tiny rocks and fine sand to scatter throughout the house. of course there is a much easier and messier way to do this. Then fix the substrate with watered down glue, mixed with ink to darken it and keep the dirt from moving later. And here is the finished look. This is it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 in the near future. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of more updates. I'll see you in my next video.